I will perform a business example. Let's personalize your user interface to facilitate navigation. So I will make some adjustments to the local layout of our screen. Firstly, I will show you how to set system and error message to appear in a dialog box instead of on the status bar here. First of all, you should click Customize Local Layout, then Options, then you should choose Interaction Design and then Notifications. If you put checks in front of a Show Success message in a dialog box, Show Warning message in a dialog box, Show Error message in a dialog box, you will see this message in a dialog box instead of status bar. I won't apply now. Second example is the display of the date and decimal format. First of all, choose System, User Profile and On Data. If you want to change your decimal notation, date format and time format, you can choose a more suitable selection based on your needs. Favorites. You can add many items into your favorites folder, such as transactions, links to files, catalogs, internet addresses, and much more thing. Favorites can be organized into folders and you can edit your favorites in the SAP Easy Access screen using Favorites menu. Okay, this is Favorites menu. You can insert transactions such as 01, and also you can insert folders such as transactions regarding material management, and we can put some transaction codes here, and also we can insert other objects such as web address or file, BSP applications, launchpad reference, external mail system, and much more. Okay. Status bar. The status bar provides general information and system messages on the SAP system, and also the transaction, program or client on which you are working. System messages are displayed on the left side of the status bar. Here you can see error and informative system messages on the left side of the bar, and also you can display the system information such as system ID, client number, username, program name, where you are working, transaction code, and response time on the right side here. To hide the information status fields, choose the arrow here to the left of the fields. Unhide and hide. Okay. Shortcuts. You can use the F1 key on the command field to display the following possible entries. On the command field, if you press the F1 key, you can display the some shortcuts. Let's perform some example, such as you are working on a transaction code such as SM50 and you want to go back to the main screen. First of all, you can click back button, or you can write /n. Green button is most preferable and easier, I think. And second one, again, you are working on a transaction code and you want to jump on another transaction code. You cannot directly write the transaction code. First of all, you should put /n, then you can write the transaction code to jump to the other transaction code. Okay. I will show you how to log off from the system. That means I will show you how to end the logon session with and also without a confirmation dialog box. First of all, I will show you how to end the logon session with a confirmation box. If you write the /NEND, the system wants your confirmation. If you click yes, you will log off the system. Now I will click no, and you can use green button to log off the system with a confirmation dialog box. You can also use green button to log off the system with a confirmation box. Okay, if you click yes, you will log off the system. On the other hand, if you want to log off from the system, you can write /NEX. It will end your user session without a confirmation dialog box. Okay, like this. Let's go back to the system again. Sorry. Okay. Now let's go back to the slide. I will talk about Help tab. SAP system provides comprehensive online help, which is available from any screen in the system. Let me show you here. Application help displays comprehensive help for the application currently opened on your screen. SAP library contains online documentation. Glossary can search for definitions of terms in the glossary. Release notes describe functional changes that occur between SAP system releases. SAP Service Marketplace, a user ID and a password are required to access the SAP Service Marketplace. SAP extranet on which SAP can make content and services not to be published on the public SAP website available to customers and partners. So you will need an SAP user to use SAP Service Marketplace content. Create a support message. With support message, you can directly contact the responsible solution manager support unit from your SAP system. And settings, you can select settings for help. For example, how you would like to use F1 and F4 help to be displayed. Okay. Now I will talk about F1 and F4 help. F1 is used to find help on fields, menus, functions, and messages. F1 help also provides technical information on the relevant field, for example, the parameter ID and the technical name of the field. F4 is used to find information on the possible values that can be entered in the field. You can access F4 help for a selected field by choosing the buttons immediately to the right of that field or by selecting the F4 key. Let's perform some examples. For example, let's go to RZ10 transaction and I want to know what does profile mean here. If I press the F1 key, the system will show you what does profile mean. And if you want to display the possible values can be entered here, you can press the F4 key or you can press the button immediately to the right of that field, this one. You can find information on the possible values that can be entered here. Okay, you can use F1 key anywhere you want. For example, let's go to another transaction. and after pressing F1 key you will see the help documentation, and you can also press F4 key to view the possible entries that can be entered. Now no values for this selection can be displayed now. Okay, thank you everyone. This is the end of second training.